I want to talk to you guys today about efficiency. Here's a story of a friend of mine. He's a painting contractor. He would show up with 5 guys every morning, and in the beginning of the day they would take about a half hour to get their paint pots ready, their kits, and mixing the paint, pouring the paint, getting the paint brushes ready, cleaning, whatever. And then they would start work about a half hour later. Well, they would do the same thing at the end of the day, cleaning up and stuff and getting ready for the following day. So by the time the day was done, half hour in the morning, half hour at night, 5 guys, that's 5 hours a day, wasted, no production. Times 5 days, that's 25 hours of inefficient use, non-productive, non-real billable time, it's just time. So what he did is he came up with a great idea where he hired one guy for a half hour every day to show up early, or an hour early, and another guy to stay an hour late. So instead of 25 hours a week, he was spending 10 hours a week or 5 hours a week. And he was able to cut down. He found that one guy could do all the kits because there's not a lot of talking and chatter and joking. So I challenge you guys, my tip for this week is to think about what you can do to save you time on the job, to get you working faster, more efficiently, and to make money. It's what we're doing this for, right? We're trying to be efficient, professional, and try to get stuff done. I hope this helps you guys. It was a great lesson that I learned. See you next week.